Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Week 7, days 42 to 49. She will be noticeably tired and her puppies will now be almost fully formed. At this stage, it's also time to prepare the area your dog will use for whelping. Choose a warm, quiet place and use a bed or box which is padded with plenty of linen.
Take our lead.
During weeks 5 and 6, the fetus starts to look more like a puppy, with toes, nails and whiskers. The fetus's organs have completely developed, along with its skin color. At the 6-week mark, the fetus has sex organs and begins to develop into either a male or a female.
Take our lead.
Pregnant dogs should be bathed as necessary, and about 1 week prior to their due dates, to remove debris and bacteria, and excess hair. Pick your pregnant dog up carefully by putting one arm behind her hind legs, under the tail area, and one arm around her chest.
Take our lead.
Most dogs whelp about 63 days after breeding. Normal range equals 58 to 71 days. To determine exactly when she will be due, start taking your dog's rectal temperature 2 to 4 times daily, starting about 55 days after breeding.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.